Alright, what's up guys? We got another car right here, and this is a 2004 Nissan Fairlday Z. This is a Fairlday Z. It's not much different from the 350Z here in the United States, but this is a Fairlday Z from Japan. So this is a right-hand drive car, VQ35DE. It's got the single intakes. This has Brembo brakes with slotted rotors, upgraded Nismo wheels by Ray's Engineering. It's got HKS coilovers in the front, aftermarket coilovers in the rear. I haven't looked under yet, but it's lowered in the rear too. It's pretty much stock. On the engine bay, the exhaust is upgraded on this one. But I like the pearl white. It's pretty cool. I don't see a lot of pearl white 350Zs here. Usually I see a lot of G35S pearl whites and G37s, but not a lot of 350s. But yeah, this is a pretty rare car here in the States. There's not a lot of right-hand drive 350s out here. So too bad it's not an HR, but it's still cool. It's different. Normally your 350Z from here would have your steering wheel on the left side. This is on the right side from Japan, so that's cool. It's a touring model, so it comes with leather seats, power options, and then the heated seats on the touring model, and then it comes with the LSD on the touring model. Pretty clean body, very low mileage, around like 50,000 miles. Cars in Japan are known to have way lower mileage than cars in the US, but overall the car is pretty clean. Just gave it a little bit of a restoration on the headlights because they were really dull. Cleaned up the Ray's Engineering Nismo wheels, and then just cleaned it up a little around the body, but that's about it. Got the Momo course wheel with the NRG quick release setup, and then floor mats match the right hand drive. I don't know if the 350Z from here comes with those gas pedals, but alright, one thing that this Japanese car has that the US cars don't is power folding mirrors. A lot of the Japanese cars come with power folding mirrors. I think US cars should come with this. It's pretty luxury for a Japanese car, but that's cool. Most of these cars come with that option. Alright, so under the engine bay, you're pretty much going to get the same setup that you would get here in the US. It's the V6 3.5. This is a DE engine. It's about like 270 or 80 horsepower. I'm not really sure on the exact power, but there's no difference in the engines from the United States 350Z and then the Japanese 350Z, which I think they should have came with better motors like all the JDM cars come with. But yeah, that's about it. Pretty much stock car with suspension upgrades, a little bit of interior love, and Nismo wheels and tinted windows, and that's about it. It's a pretty clean car. I like it better than the US 350Z. I feel like a different feeling when I'm driving this one, so I would much prefer this car over a US 350Z. Alright, so how I got this car is one of my buddies had it. I've mentioned him before. I got the Civic Si Mugen, if you've seen in my other vlogs. I got that car from him as well, but he needed some space, so I helped him out, and he helped me out with hooking me up with this really rare car. His vlog is Jaime323 Vlogs, and then I'll tap him in on this video as well, so you can check out his channel. He uploads a lot of car related content too, but thanks to him, so he gave me a really good deal so I can make this video possible and bring this car to my channel. It's a pretty rare car. I haven't seen any of these in California where I live. I haven't seen any right-hand drive Nissan 350Zs or G35. They're pretty newer cars, so you won't really find them in the US. So it's a pretty rare car. I was excited to get it on my channel and share it with you guys, since I'm not sure if anyone else from California has featured one of these cars on YouTube. So hopefully you guys find this video interesting and you like the content and this car. If you like this car, the paint combination, the right-hand drive, the rarity of it in the States, make sure you drop a like on my channel, but we'll see what we do with it. Till then, enjoy this video of the walk around on the Japanese right-hand drive 350 Fairlday Z, and I'll see what other content I can come up with this car. If you guys have any other ideas what to do with this car, or what videos to make, what you want to see, drop a comment down below and I'll check out the comments. If you guys come up with a good idea on a video, I'll make it happen. If I get any other cars for videos, I'll be sure to keep making that as well. So make sure you guys drop a like, subscribe, and comment.